Hey guys, Doug Rucker here with Doug Rucker School. Hey, real quick, one of the things we've been selling through the store quite a bit of are the Dougenator mixing stations. And this basically allows on a dedicated pump, like a 12-volt pump or air diaphragm pump or booster pump or whatever. Um, this allows you to mix your bleach water and soap together so that you don't have to batch mix. So if you're wanting a 1% or 2% or 3 or 10, 20, 30, however you call it, you can do that. But one of the things I wanted to explain is if you order one of these, we're going to ship, this is the part that goes to the pump, the outlet. These three are your inlets, which will go to your bleach water or soap, however you do it. And then we have these valve or these 90s that go on the top. And when we ship these are not tightened down. We do that because we don't know the configuration or where you're going to put this. So, you may want this one like that, and you may want that one like that, and then this one straight or however. So we don't tighten these all the way down. If you put in the notes that you want me to tighten it down, I'll be happy to do that. It's just that I'm going to put them all where they're going straight out like that. Okay? I don't know if you can see that. But sometimes you have a truck or a trailer or something that you want this to go that way to that tank or whatever. So we don't tighten these. Okay? So an important thing for you to remember is get you some good Teflon. Don't use tape, okay? But get some thread sealant, pipe thread sealant. Do not use Teflon tape, okay? Because Teflon tape on plastic fittings will heat the plastic up and cause you to crack. And one of the problems we see sometimes is people use Teflon tape and they tighten these fittings down and they tighten them down too much and it cracks the meter here, the valve, okay? So all you need to do is get you some, I use this, I got it off of Amazon. I have a big one, big jug, but you can get a real small jug, and this is actually comes in black, so it looks nicer. But when you get these, just put a little bit of that pipe dope on it, and then tighten them down. You don't have to over tighten them. Just kind of spin it around when you start feeling it getting kind of snug. Then that's it. You don't have to. It doesn't have to wrench it down. It just needs to be nice and snug and good. All the pipe dope and all of that stuff will do its job. Because if you tighten it down too much, you're going to crack this valve. So, and then you're going to have an air leak, and that's one of the problems that happens to a lot of people. So get you some good pipe dope. This is Rector Seal. And then, again, when we send these, remember they're not tightened down. That way you can position them how you want to for your setup, okay? If you have any questions, just let me know, but I wanted to make a quick video on that because that's one of the issues that we see sometimes is people tightening these down too much. Don't do that. Thanks, guys. Y'all have an awesome day.